Critiques are a structured way to receive thoughtful, focused feedback on specific pieces of your work. On the left, you're seeing the view of the creator, who is logged in and owns this piece. On the right is the same critique viewed from the perspective of someone visiting the work as a viewer rather than the creator. In this example, the viewer has already submitted a critique, which appears immediately in both views. As the creator, I can respond directly to that critique. Once I refresh, the reply is visible. I can continue the conversation by adding additional responses over time, whether my thinking evolves or new ideas come up. Creators can also add new critiques to their own work as it changes or develops. However, once a creator has viewed a critique, the person who submitted it can no longer edit that critique. They can submit a new one, but previously seen feedback is locked to preserve the integrity of the exchange. This creates a clear, respectful feedback loop that benefits both creators and reviewers. As a creator, you can also view all of the critiques you've received across your work in one place by visiting the critiques page. From there, you can browse individual critiques, revisit past feedback, or switch between different pieces to see how conversations have evolved over time.